Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Don't Be Average. In today's video, I will show how you can install and set up Jupyter Notebook using Anaconda. Let's get started.
It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
First, we need to download Anaconda. We are going to use Jupyter Notebook through Anaconda Navigator. That way, it becomes easy to switch between virtual environments. To download Anaconda, you just need to open your web browser and go to www.anaconda.com. If you go to anaconda.com, you should be able to see an interface like this. And once we hover the product menu, we should be able to see a drop down where it is asking us to select if it is an individual edition or commercial. Here we need to select individual edition. Once I click on individual edition, it will take me to the download page. In the download page, it automatically detects your system configuration. It should be able to detect if you have a Windows laptop, and it will automatically suggest you a relevant file with the download button. For me, it has detected a Mac OS and it has suggested a download button for this configuration. So I'm just going to click on download. Once you click on download, you should be able to see that the download has started here. Download is complete. I'm going to click on this file. Once the download is complete, you can click on the downloaded file and it will open up an installation wizard. In that, it will guide you through the installation process. You need to click on continue and agree with the license conditions, and in the final step, it will show you the installation is successful. Once the installation is successful, you should be able to have Anaconda Navigator as an app in your system. And if you have a Windows laptop, you should be able to find it in your installed softwares. So next you need to click on this Anaconda Navigator. Once it opens, you should be able to see there are multiple IDEs that are supported by Anaconda. It is not just Jupyter. You can use it for RStudio, you can use it for PyCharm. That is the beauty of Anaconda. And not just that, if you are using different version of the same library in the same system, you should be able to create virtual environments using Anaconda, so that there is no conflict between multiple version of the same library. You can see we have Jupyter Notebook here, and once I click on launch, it will open up a terminal for me. And right after opening this terminal, you should be able to see it has opened up Jupyter Notebook IDE. This has opened up in my main directory location. To start writing Python code, you need to click on new and then click on Python 3. It will open up a new notebook where you should be able to write and compile Python codes. If you want to change the name of this file, you can just click on this untitled name and put any name that you want and enter. Here, the beauty of Jupyter Notebook is the output and the commands are shown next to each other. So if you want to write, it will show the output in the same line. So this file would be saved in the same directory where the Jupyter Notebook has opened. The format of this file would be .ipython notebook, the one that is being shown here. If you want to download this as .py file, then you need to go to file and download as. You have many extension options here. You can select .py here. It will be downloaded as filename.py. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys liked it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and don't be average.
I never miss that fact. Taking